Okay, what we're going to talk about today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a really cool video effect on your videos for marketing, for ads, for anything, or even just for value posts on Facebook. First, you go to Instagram and you're going to go to the top left where the little camera is. Click that so you go to Instagram stories. All right, now you can see me. So what you're going to do is on the bottom here, you can see you can click to focus. Now, what you do is you'll hold the phone sideways. Okay. So now I'm going to hit the record button and hold my thumb on the video button to record a video. So I'm going to do, I click the button. Now I'm recording a video, and you can make a really cool background effect. Again, take a look at the background, it's all blurry here. So the way that I'm doing this is with the focus effect on Instagram. Okay, now you've made a video, whatever value you want to add to your audience. With this cool depth effect, it really does make it have a special visual cue that, you know, people appreciate because it's something that's stand out, it's something different. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what to do next.
So
now
first thing you're going to do
and you can
is you're going to save
cool
that. So hit the save button.
Again, take a look at the background, it's all blurry here. So the way
on
that I'm
the
doing
X,
this is
if you look over, there's this arrow pointing down at a thing.
Okay, now you
click that button.
Depth effect, it really does.
Okay, again, it's the arrow pointing at the straight bar. Now that those are saved, you might hear me just overlapping myself vocally here. Now what we're going to do is we go to iMovie on your phone. Again, you're going to need an iPhone to do this. Click on iMovie. Okay. Click on the plus sign, click on create new movie, and what you're going to do is grab the last two videos or however many videos you had saved. So I had two on this, so I'm going to click them from right to left in that order, and I click create movie. Now I see the videos, they're in iMovie, but they're sideways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of the videos, okay, and you can see it just went yellow. And then what I'm going to do is on the top picture, I'm going to put two fingers on the edges of the image, and I'm going to rotate my fingers counterclockwise. And bada boom, you just saw the image get turned into landscape mode. Next is you're going to do the other video. Okay, so same thing. Put my two fingers at the top, at the edges of what you can see the image is at the top of the screen. And then I'm going to rotate counterclockwise, and it turns the video sideways. Now, when you play this video, the problem is you have this thing in the middle. If you look down where the two videos are set side by side, there's this little hourglass looking thing. That is the dissolver between these two different videos. So what you do is tap that little hourglass, and it's on dissolve. So what you're going to do is click it over to none, the straight line up and down. Now it's going to be a seamless transition from each shot. Take a look. Effect on Instagram. Okay, now you've made a video, whatever cool, right?
You want to add to your audience. Looks all with this cool depth
blurry,
effect. It really
looks neat, has that beautiful effect, looks very sharp, stands out a lot. Now, we're happy with what we've created, so we hit done. And now at the bottom of the screen, the arrow with the box with the arrow pointing up, click that, and just save video. Now it's going to be saved to your camera roll. Save it as a HD. Okay, higher quality the better. And once that's done, hit OK. Cool. Now go to your photos, and it's going to be right there as a video. And take a look. Now I'm recording a video, and you can make cool. So now you can use this video and upload it as a Facebook post. You can upload it as an ad. You can upload it for a training. You can upload it just and send people videos if you want. It's a really cool effect. And again, it super stands out. Looks like you're using a pro camera. Most people do not know how to do this with their selfie camera. So guys, I just taught you something really freaking neat.